Etsy is a great place to begin, but it doesn't have to be the final step. In this video, we'll explore how AI influencers can open up new opportunities beyond Etsy.
Thanks, Nada. For this design, I blended traditional motifs with a modern twist. The colors are inspired by a monsoon sunset.
From creating a realistic AI influencer to applying digital products, bringing them to life.
I am obsessed with this design. It's just so charming and unique. I seriously need to buy more shirts with designs like this one.
And exploring a platform with strong potential. So, without wasting time, let's dive in. Now, in order to sell any digital product online, Etsy has proven to be one of the most reliable platforms for understanding what is currently gaining attention. This allows us to reduce guesswork and instead focus on products that are already showing interest from buyers. For this video, I'm interested in creating clipart because these are PNG files that can easily be applied to a wide range of white label products. To begin my research for a potential design, I'll start by searching for the keyword clipart on Etsy. However, I want my results to focus only on listings that are already performing well. So first, I'll filter the results by star seller. Next, I'll go to the URL of that page, change the word star to best, and search again. This allows me to view listings with the best seller tag, which I can then use as inspiration when creating my own designs. But since Valentine's season is fast approaching, I shifted my focus to Valentine, and as a result, I came across this Valentine-themed clipart design featuring a whimsical Valentine couple. Using Alura, I was able to see that this design was published just last month ago, yet it has already generated strong interest. The product has 2 sales in the last 24 hours, which clearly shows that shoppers are actively engaging with this type of design. So imagine offering a similar style of design in your own online store, especially with Valentine's Day approaching. Now that we've validated the type of digital product we want to create, the next step is crafting this design using AI. But before that, let's take a look at how this process can be expanded further by using an AI influencer. An AI influencer is simply a digital character with a consistent identity, a defined look, style, and niche. What makes this powerful is that the influencer becomes a front-facing brand rather than relying solely on a marketplace. Instead of just uploading a digital product, the product is also connected to a character that people can follow and engage with over time.
I call this urban bloom. The inspiration came from seeing how nature reclaims spaces, which you can see in these layered textures.
This approach works especially well for digital products like clipart because this type of design can easily be applied to product the AI influencer can link with. This makes it appear as part of the AI influencer's visuals, and your influencer can also offer some of this design as exclusive design in a platform that makes this possible. This is where Fanvue comes in. Fanvue is a platform where digital creators, including AI influencers, can share exclusive content with their audience and receive ongoing support from subscribers. Imagine this: you offer your clipart design on Etsy while at the same time growing your AI influencer on social media and directing interested followers to Fanvue. There, your influencer can present exclusive variations of your design packs that are available only to Fanvue subscribers. This way, Etsy helps you reach buyers interested in individual digital download, while Fanvue helps you build a dedicated audience that supports your content regularly through exclusive access. If you'd like a detailed PDF that walks through this entire setup step by step, you can find the link in my description or the pinned comment. Now, to create this clipart design, I'll be using Print.kk.ai. Before using the AI platform, I'll take a screenshot of a high-performing design and use it as a reference image. After that, I'll choose the second AI model, which allows me to write a prompt and control how closely the final result matches the reference image. Then I'll write my prompt in this format. In a white background, imagine a whimsical female character holding a teddy bear with heart sign around her. After this, I reduced the reference similarity level so it won't color the exact image. Then I selected the aspect ratio and click generate, and these are the 4 results I received. These weren't the only prompts I created. I also put together a full list of prompts you can use to generate similar designs. Just remember that including a reference image helps maintain a consistent style. Now, to create my AI influencer character, I'll be using ideogram. Before that, I'll ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt for the character. Once I have the prompt, I'll paste it into ideogram, select version 3.0, then set the design style to realistic and make sure prompt magic is turned on. And here's the result I got. After that, I'll select character in the reference section so the AI can reuse the same face in future generations. Next, I'll enter a prompt asking my AI character to wear a plain white top, and these are the results. Now comes the next step, adding our design to the clothing. All we need to do is import both the AI influencer image and the design into ChatGPT. Then ask ChatGPT to place the design onto the character's shirt, and this is the result ChatGPT generated. To bring the character to life, I'll be using VL3. First, head to deepmind.google, then select model and choose VL. Then select open with flow, sign into your Google account and click start new project. Next, choose text to video and switch it to frame to video. Click the plus icon to import your AI influencer image, select portrait, then scale it to fit the frame and click save. This is where you write your prompt describing what you want your AI influencer to say or do in the video. One of the easiest approaches is to upload your image into ChatGPT and ask it to generate a short video prompt where your AI influencer introduces a design she's holding or wearing. Once that's done, copy the prompt, paste it into VL3, and this is the result.
This shirt so much. This little girl and her teddy bear just make me feel so cozy and nostalgic. It fills my heart with love.
After creating your designs with the AI influencer, the next step is to create a new Instagram page dedicated to this character. Use the page to showcase your designs in each post and add a link in your bio that directs followers to your Fanvue page where they can access exclusive content. With this approach, you're building visibility across two platforms at the same time using one workflow. Finally, I hope this video opened your eyes to new ways of expanding beyond Etsy and exploring creative opportunities alongside your digital products. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe for more AI and Etsy strategies focused on building long-term digital projects.